finally I can talk without papers. Yeah. Thank you for a chance to wear my jacket today. It happens on special occasions like this. And I'm really happy to perform you our national instrument that's called kurai. Yeah, Farda just told some short history of kurai, but it's very simple instrument flute. There is nothing inside, it's just a hole. And we have 5 holes here. So actually you know that there are 7 notes. You know, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. But here we have only 6 notes. So when you are playing any melody, you have to figure out something. That's really difficult. And the hardest thing is to make a sound, because so it's not a normal flute where we can just blow and the sounds come from the other side. But in this instrument, you have to make a noise inside of your mouth. So it's between your teeth and between your tongue. That's really hard. Actually, I didn't play before coming to Canada. I'm a newcomer, like moved here 2 years ago. I was just blowing, but I was missing my motherland very much and started playing a little bit, and now I can play a little bit. Okay, so don't judge me too strict like her. Okay, it's not for the first time, maybe it's 10th time, but I'm still nervous. The melody that I want to perform is called, in Bashkir language, Haldat marşı. It's the march of the old soldier. Actually, Russian people, like, last 300 years were serving in army in all wars together with Russians, and our men were serving like 25 years without coming home. So when they were coming home, their children were very big and they couldn't, recognize each other. But it was normal. And many marches. So most our melodies are about war. It's normal when you're always fighting, and most of them you can hear the march of the horse. Okay? It's something similar that I will try to perform. Thank you.
Now you know a little bit more about Bashkortostan, the Republic